Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites and pairing. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and nearby. Open Settings and confirm both devices are on the latest updates, then install WhatsApp on your iPhone if you haven't. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone and enable WhatsApp in notifications and in available apps. This lets messages forward to the Watch. Once done, send a test message to yourself so you can confirm notifications arrive. You'll now learn how to interact with WhatsApp messages on the Watch. When a WhatsApp notification appears, lift your wrist and tap it to open the message preview. This gives you context and lets you decide how to respond. Use quick replies for short answers, tap the microphone to dictate a longer reply, or use Scribble for precise text entry. If you need more context, scroll up to view message history in the notification. Make sure to speak clearly for accurate dictation. Finish by sending a final confirmation reply and checking that the message appears on your iPhone. This verifies two-way sync. If messages don't arrive or replies fail, make sure Bluetooth is active and the iPhone is nearby, and confirm WhatsApp notifications are allowed on both devices. You can restart both devices to force a reconnection. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle WhatsApp notifications off and on in the Watch app, then send another test message to confirm full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.